Good morning, babies. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. So today we are going to learn about computer. So you can see the picture of computer here. Okay. So from your computer book, the brain game. Okay. So tell me, babies, what is this? This is a computer. This is a computer. You have seen this computer in schools, in hospitals, in hotels, in offices. Everywhere you can see this computer, right? So today we will learn about computer and about the qualities of computer. Okay, so let's start. So this is the page number 1 from your computer book. Chapter name is The Computer. Today is Sunny's birthday. So he is Sunny. His parents have brought a computer as his birthday gift. So Sunny has got a computer as a birthday gift. So Sunny is very excited to learn about his computer. So he asked her mother, "What is a computer and what can I do on it?" His mother said, "A computer is a machine. A computer is a machine. Now let me tell you what is a machine." Okay, babies, every day we see a lot of things around us. Okay, and things are natural and man-made. Natural and man-made. In natural you can see flowers, birds, cat and tree. These all are natural things. And some things are man-made like table, fridge, fan and bus. These are man-made things. Okay, so a computer is a man-made machine. Just like these, a computer is a man-made machine. So here fridge, fan and bus are machines. Okay, so just look at this. Some of the common machines that we use at our home are like food processor. A food processor help in grind vegetables, right? This is a telephone. Very good. This is a telephone. Telephone helps us to talk with our friends. And what is this? This is a washing machine. Washing machine help us to wash clothes. Okay, so machine save our time and energy. It also works on electricity. So these all are common machines that you can see at home. A computer is also a machine. So what we can do on the computer? It helps us to play games. Yes, you can play games on computer. Listen to music. You can listen music, watch movies, draw pictures and do many more things. Like this girl, she is dancing, right? And nowadays you are doing your online studies on computers, right? And on smartphones. So it is very important for our daily life now. So let's talk about the computer and its main parts. So this is a computer. You can see these all are the parts of computer. These are the main parts of the computer. Now let me tell you about this. What is this? You can see this is a monitor. This is a CPU. This is a mouse. It looks like a real mouse, but actually it's not mouse. And what is this? This is a keyboard. And these are speakers. Okay, so computer is the combination of all these parts. Some of the time I asked from the babies, what is this? So they would say, ma'am, this is computer. So this only is not a computer. Some of the baby would tell me, ma'am, this is a computer. Ma'am, this is a computer. No, these all parts makes a computer. Okay, that is why I'm saying again and again, computer is the combination of all these parts. Okay, now let's talk about its parts. What is this? This is a monitor. This is a monitor. It looks like a LED TV, right? So actually it does work like that. You can see the movies and pictures on this screen only. Okay, so this is a monitor. What is the spelling of monitor? We will learn here. Okay, MONITOR, monitor. Now speak afterwards me. MONITOR, monitor. So this is a monitor. Now the monitor has a screen in front. You can see the screen here. The monitor shows the work that you do on the computer. So whatever work you are doing, you can see on the screen. Whether you are drawing a picture or whether you are playing a game, you can see only on the screen, only on this screen. So this is a monitor. Okay, so to remove dirt and dust from the monitor, always wipe it with a soft and dry cloth. You should not use any wet cloth to clean the monitor. Okay, to clean the screen of the monitor, always use the soft and dry cloth. Now what is this? This is a keyboard. A keyboard has many keys, different kind of keys. Keys means you can see these small buttons. So these are keys. That is why we call it a board that has keys. Keyboard. Okay, the name of this object is keyboard. A keyboard is used to type and give instructions to a computer. So you can see this is a keyboard. This is a keyboard. Very good. A keyboard has keys on which alphabets means A, B, C, means letters. You can see the letters on these keys and numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0, not 10. Okay, and different signs you can see are printed. If you want to give any instruction to the computer, you can do with the help of a keyboard only. Okay, now what is this? This is a CPU. Okay, this is a CPU. CPU. All these three letters in capital. Okay, C, P and U. CPU. What is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. Yes, speak afterwards me. Central. Very good. Processing unit. Central Processing Unit. Now CPU is the brain of the computer. So CPU is the brain of the computer. Without CPU, a computer can't do anything. So because it is the brain of the computer, it is inside the CPU cabinet. So actually you can see this is a CPU cabinet and this is the chip that is inside it. So this is the CPU. Okay, now what is this? Tell me, what is this? It looks like a real mouse and its name is mouse. You know the spelling of mouse? M-O-U-S-E, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Now speak afterwards me. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Very good. So you can see the parts of the mouse here. So this is the mouse. Now let's learn about mouse more. Just as you point at something using your finger, the mouse is used to point at the computer screen using the mouse pointer. I will tell you later about the mouse pointer, but tell me first here. There are two buttons. That side is right button, right mouse button, and this is left mouse button. Okay? Right mouse button and left mouse button. And you can see here, what is this? This is the scroll wheel. This is the scroll wheel. Now, mouse is used to point on the screen. As you can see a little hand on the screen. I am pointing out the things here. As same, if I want to do something on computer, my mouse will help for this, to point out on the screen, to work on the computer. Okay? Now I will keep my hand on the mouse. Okay? So this is a mouse. As I move the mouse, the mouse pointer will move in the same direction. So you can see here, this is a small arrow. This small arrow is a mouse pointer. What is this that you can see on the screen is moving now? This is a mouse pointer. Okay, now what are these? These are speakers. These are speakers. So if we want to hear something, if we want to listen to music, speakers are very important. Without speakers, you can't listen to music. Okay? What is the spelling of speakers? S-P-E-A-K-E-R-S. Speakers. Now speak afterwards me. S-P-E-A-K-E-R-S. Speakers. So here you can see two speakers. Okay? S-P-E-A-K-E-R-S. Speakers. Now, speakers help us to hear sounds from the computer. They are attached to the CPU cabinet. Okay? So, speakers are attached with the CPU cabinet. So, here in this picture, CPU is here under the table. Okay? Speakers are used to listen to music and songs that you play on the computer. Now, this boy is watching a movie. And what he is saying, wow, now I can listen to music and watch movies on my computer. So you can see these are speakers. Here these small things are speakers. So these are speakers. These were the main parts of the computer. That's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.